EIA data shows that crude continues to build while the products are seeing a drawdown. Scott, what does that mean? Is that a bullish sign for crude, or do you think that there's still more to the bottom here?
I really think there's more to go on the bottom. We're dealing obviously with a glut in supply, and until that gets used up, there's downward pressure on prices.
If we take a longer term look, are we at the bottom end of this game? Do you think we have 1 or 2 innings to go, or this still is a 6-month, year-long issue that we have to work through? Because fundamentally, I don't really see much changing in terms of the supply glut.
Yeah, well, we're not going to equivocate on the answer, but let's look at the aperture of time. If you're talking about a short duration, then there's downward pressure. On a more intermediate scale, we're probably in the last inning or so. Let's even lengthen this out to the next 3 or 4 years. There's probably going to be a major change in the development of energy sourcing in this country and globally. So the downward pressure still exists on fossil fuels.
How about natural gas? Because the weather in the Northeast has been absolutely brutal. Are you surprised it's not at even higher levels than it's trading right now?
Not really. I think that these things tend to track parallel to each other. The energy complex really is a very broad and intricate sector. Natural gas has its own elements, but it probably is tracking the performance of fossil fuel.
Okay, thanks very much, Scott. We appreciate the insight.
Great. Thanks, Jackie.
For TheStreet in New York, I'm Jill Malandrino.